Paco Studios, laughter ghetto. Everyday joy we could give you show. No stress, just vibe, make it day telemo. Paco Studios, happiness overload. Move your body, we can dance to the sound. Laugh till you fall, roll on the ground. Joy everywhere, just look around. Paco Studios, kings of the clown. Hey, make you clap, make you cheer. We dey bring the fun every year. From America straight to this fair. Paco Studios, the vibe be clear.
Thomas. Oh, okay, okay, but I'm fun. You drew junction, okay.
No! Joy! No! Hey! Hey! Mommy! When I was him again, oh, hey! When I was him again, my boy! Hey! Lisa! Hey! What's it day? Mamu's on the Natibe Mwate. Mamu's on the Natibe Mwate.
What's it day?
Missy Manu's on the Natibe Mwate.
Talk to your man.
Okay, tell me. What's it day?
What's it day?
Definitely. What phone way?
I won't give it.
Hey! Where's your phone?
I'm not giving it.
You are challenging me?
Yes, I'm not giving it.
So this guy is betraying you, eh?
Who is who?
Maybe say I don't want to see you working with her
don't
again.
Be shouting on me.
I'll shoot shouting on you.
You are nobody.
So you are retaliating. Hey, lady, let me get some job. Someone so far from. You're in a quarry, you're in a. You're in a bow, what have
I done?
You're in a bow.
No, that wasn't what have I done. My head.
Stop working with her. You got me.
You are nobody to tell me.
Okay, really?
Yes.
You are changing the world.
Oh, yeah, really.
Okay, so you,
bro,
I don't want to
really.
work with her again. Nam wate. Nam. Oh, say wate. Oh, come on to wate. Emma, I dare me your time wate. You don't want it. You again. I don't want to work her again. Huh? You are my fiancé.
Yeah.
You get me?
Who is your fiancé?
You are my fiancé.
As an ex.
Okay, one so.
As an ex.
Make up for one, I kept you.
As an ex. Who is my ex?
What bottom? You are crazy.
Who is your ex?
I don't want to
your
talk.
Ex now.
What's it name?
Have you forgot to say no your ex?
Who is my girlfriend?
I
say, whoa. Stupid girl. Go.
Who?
Go.
I'm not leaving.
You are not what?
I'm not going.
You will leave.
I'm not.
You will leave.
No.
Go.
Killer.
Don't let me stretch my hand on you.
Don't let me watch.
Stretch my hand on you.
Hey, good.
If the benefit doesn't go beyond, two more of you to decrease you. You get me? Stupid girl. Go. What it?
Better talk to your man.
Okay, really?
You better talk to your guy. Short Do you know you are disgracing us?
I'm not disgracing you.
Do you know you are disgracing
Both of you are disgracing me. You're my fiancé, Chedier.
Let me have my phone. Let me have my phone.
I won't give you phone to you.
It's not your phone.
It's
my phone. It's not yours. Killer.
Hey.
Oh, Lisa, do some. Oh, Lisa.
Make the blood boil when
you relax. Face me. Don't face her.
You're my fiancé. That's all I want to say on you.
Don't use your hands on me. Don't use your hands on me. I said it's over. Bomb. Slap me.
Go, Fiaco.
Oh, Lisa. Don't go. Oh, Lisa. So why are you moving?
Hey, Fiaco.
Don't let him move.
Fiaco. Asama o kanyina no kure.
Na asama bu anka me meka.
Na chese, sa kwasem pani no ahia wataba o.
Agire me phone, agire me bag, bo me hu nyina.
Na wadan fo so we.
Yankoro de me ko.
Ode ne ko. Won talk case we mama madam. Case we be say na bedum ani mu aya na me penu. Because me ade be chi obi we say be ma wataba ma. Madam, me pupo any physical be pupo.
Anwan me sa ate, apia meteko.
Wanwan ho.
Me na me ka me chi.
Ade be chi kwase be ma. Wo be nwan oba e na de biom. Ni bi no say wo.
Na no so opia me. Me opia me kwan ma.
Ade be say chi se be ma be pia oba. Eni ko na me bu fu. Sister, me srew. Ye fa ka kwa na say ye fa from the area ko.
So na so wo obi ntim minim de o ma ye yende.
Ame pe weapon hye no. Emla. Ana oni mu cheda yudu sa. Ni modu. Dai ni modu. Ni modu.
There be.
Ene me bisu weapon yenko. Ada yenko. Ko na me ko bi. Ko, ami follow. Apotam. Fine get away. Sure. Madam, ade mi chi se be ma be taba oba. Sure. Mami, you so mami. Me ko fight na to me ba. You so mami. Pota papa, ja. Ni ba ketwa. Mama, you so you mami na ko so si ai. Me ko ya fight ko you. So si, ade. Cha, no put it party. No put it party. Ada me ba, put ya kawa. That's one so. Me fa weapon. Ada, anya kwa some lady way. Na wo small boy be tabaro. E ko tension at me chinyata. O musa yen ko start. Ahonya. Siamai. Ana mama mama moja frenu na me. Mama moja afubo na nim. Mama moja so na fubo ya nim nyame. O ma so moja be ba ketba ko. Ma chiri nya sapa siamai. Wa papa na ni so sarase. Ahonya. Jimmy. Wo si obaka baka bawe. E be tell for betaba no. Me punu bro mu hu yato. Ya fa say. Ha! Jimmy follow ai. Ha? Mister, why did you hano? Why did you hano? Yes. Baba. Why? And I said be predator. One nimu nyansa. What about no? Sela. Antilimoko. Pesi sala se me tell to sakona. Sister, from bra. From bra. I'm a cherry ponyansa Jimmy ni nyansa ni mo yi Jimmy na mo taba ma. I'm ready for them. Come on. Yeah. Fire. Wamumra. Mecho bibi. Lekasa. Kasa ya frama. Adia sister. Wamumra. I'm chum de womo. Lekasa. Kasa ya frama. Diebla. Me pere pambo be chamni ha. Me ma taba ma. John boy now. Back to what? Oh, for the job. Jona wo bi na wo Jimmy ni nyese wo Jimmy. Na guess na mo na wo taba wo nyesa. Patron. Nous avons écouté. Vous encore ça trop jali. Nous avons. Elle écoutait bien. Elle est petite fille. Elle est jolie les massacres. Tout on say. Mais how on say? Ça, faut na wadi, faut na batako faut. Faut bien be foko. Mo no ko famra. O ti wo we be ma wo. Muso ye baba. We are jota be.
Godfather. Hey. Alo Barusha, alo Free. Kai, Zora.
Kati duri man ka yana kai sike. Ya. Hey, ba. What's your wife concert girl? What me wife here?
You are Godfather, kase bibi. Oba so oba ha.
Where did I send we no?
Godfather.
Mami ka send bi.
Kase you Free, o nyine.
Mo ane se konko ba to bla bla. But I mama mchim cho. Mami chim. Ni nyina ni say. Twam. Ana sister yi kana sam na mka chene say. Kam be jano no ma je.
Be ka de na chira.
Sister na ka chene say.
Shugura.
Godfather.
Kai shuru. Godfather, so agora me shike champion. Kwasi o we Godfather.
Ajay. Na uti na tina waba no e so be ma. Na ajay. Sia. Ajay. Ai wadi da be woni se. Ma ga sia. Batasi. Ma ga no.
From America straight to this fair. Paco Studios, the vibe be clear. So as we hit her with the funny style.